Hi everyone, tonight I'm cooking cashew nut chicken from Pinch of Nom Express. Here's how I do it. Yeah, so don't be fooled by the quantity of the ingredients here, folks. I'm batch cooking this, so I've doubled up on everything. For the full recipe, you can get it from the quantities, you can get that from the Pinch of Nom book. I'll put a link in the description. So first of all, I've combined in this small bowl some soy sauce, some mirin. If you can't get hold of mirin, try some rice wine or dry sherry, some honey, some ground ginger, a little bit of sriracha sauce. You can alter the quantity depending on how spicy you like it. Also a bit of water in there and some corn flour. So that's the first thing you do. Give that a bit of a mix, give it a stir and put that to one side. Get your large flat bottomed pan or a wok if you're using a wok. I'm not, because I've got too much ingredients. In that, put some chopped onions, some mushrooms and some garlic, and you need to fry that down for about 5 minutes till the onion starts to go soft. Okay, so once the onion has softened, the mushrooms have started to colour a bit, we're now going to add the chicken strips and mix those around. I'm going to cook those now until they are sort of browned all over, and they'll pick up the flavours from the garlic and the onions and so on. Meanwhile, you might want to put your rice on, because this doesn't take too long, folks. So once the chicken has browned, or as near as it's going to brown, because this is supermarket chicken with added water, so it doesn't brown as well as chicken breast you'd get from your local butcher. Tip there. So yeah, once the chicken has browned, you can then add in some small broccoli florets and your pre-prepared soy sauce, sriracha sauce and so on mixture. Put that all in and give that a stir up. So we're going to cook that up now for 3-4 minutes until the broccoli is cooked but still crispy and the sauce reduces a bit and is all coated the chicken. The sauce is just thickened nicely, everything's cooked through, the chicken's well coated. Time now to throw in the cashew nuts and give that a stir. That's ready to serve up now. It's great with some boiled basmati rice or long grain rice. I'll dish it up and show it you in a minute. So there you go, folks, that's cashew nut chicken from Pinch of Nom Express. Just 274 calories per portion there. Great thing with this one as well is you can pre-cook it, it'll keep in the fridge for up to 3 days, ready for when you come back from the pub to save that cheeky takeaway. I'll see you next time, folks. Thanks for watching.